Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic of finding the best uncapped funding provider for e-commerce. As someone who has navigated the e-commerce world, I can tell you that when your business hits a certain growth stage, traditional bank loans or selling equity just doesn't cut it. You need flexible, fast, and scalable capital. That's where uncapped or revenue-based financing comes in. I've been through this process, and my experience pointed me toward a few key players. But I want to focus on the structure that I found most effective. The true best provider isn't a single name, but a type of funding, revenue-based financing, RBF, offered by specialized e-commerce funders, like a company called Uncapped. I'll explain why this model worked best for me, and why you should look for similar features. First, the most crucial part, no equity. I spent years building my brand, and the thought of giving up a chunk of ownership to a VC firm just for a cash injection was a non-starter. With RBF, you get the capital you need, and you retain 100% of your company. This was the biggest win for me. Second, the repayment structure is fundamentally fairer than a fixed loan. Instead of a rigid monthly payment regardless of how your sales are doing, RBF providers take a small, agreed-upon percentage of your future sales until the advance plus a fixed fee is paid back. When my sales had a slower month, my payment automatically went down. When we had a massive Black Friday, we paid back faster. This flexibility literally saved me from a cash flow crisis during an unexpected stock delay. Third, speed and transparency. When you need capital for a major inventory order or a massive ad campaign, you need it now. The digital RBF providers are built for speed. I was able to connect my sales platforms, Shopify, Amazon, my bank, and get an offer within 48 hours, and often the funds were in my account days later. The total cost is a fixed fee, not a fluctuating interest rate, which makes budgeting simple and predictable. You know the cost up front. My personal experience showed me that I needed a partner who understood e-commerce seasonality and scale. Look for providers that focus on your industry and offer those crucial non-dilutive revenue-linked terms. That's the uncapped solution that actually lets you grow without constraint. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.